పీపీటీ పోయింది. కష్టం. ఆడవాళ్ళం అవ్వా పోతుంది. కానీ ఏదే మా పోయింది, అది పోయి మళ్ళీ వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది. ఆల్రెడీ మధ్యలో పోయింది, మళ్ళీ పీపీటీ. మొత్తం చెప్పాను. పాలసీ ఏ పాలసీ ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ముందు చెప్తున్నా. ఫోన్ తలకాయ నొప్పి, పీపీటీ వెళ్ళిపోవడం మళ్ళీ. వాళ్ళు అసలు వాళ్ళు చెప్పేది నాకేం వినపడ్డాం, వాళ్ళు చెప్పేది. నేను చెప్పేది వాళ్ళకి. So here the physical layer is the in a single format or one in single line. So here from the data link layer, so the data in physical layer that will be converted into as a bits. So that will be given to transmission medium. So at the receiver end, again the physical layer will receives the data. So the in that receiver also the data will in the format of bits. So that will be given to data link layer. So that is the main function of physical layer. So here the physical layer is responsible for movements of అయితే చెప్పేది. ఏం చేయాలి మేము, చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే పోతా ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి, వాళ్ళు ఎన్నప్పుడు సంగతులు డిజేబుల్ చేసా. ఇప్పుడు ఈరోజే నొక్కి దీన్ని నొక్కితే వాళ్ళ కంట్రోల్ ఉండదు. అదే పీపీటీ నాకు తెలిసి ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని నొక్కా, ఇక్కడ కన్నులాగా వస్తుంది, దాన్ని నొక్కితే వాళ్ళకి లేదు, నాకే యాక్సెస్ ఉండదు. వాళ్ళు కూడా చేయొచ్చు, అందుకే వాళ్ళు ఏదో చేసి ఫోన్ అవుతున్నట్టున్నారు. కానీ ఇప్పుడే నొక్కా ఈరోజే. మంది ఉన్నారు, 61 మెంబర్స్ దాకా ఉన్నారు. Next one, data link layer. So here the data link layer is responsible for moving frames from one HOP, that is a node, to the next node, one node to another node. So here from the network layer, so here the frame, the data will consist so header format and the trailer format, so that will be transmit to the physical layer. So here the main functions of the data link layer is framing will done at the data link layer, and physical addressing and the error control and the flow control will done at the data link layer. So next one, next slide, next slide. And HOP to HOP delivery. Next one, network layer. So the network layer is responsible for the delivery of individual packets from the source host to the destination host. So next layer, source to destination delivery. So here one end system to another end system. So by using the hands, so it will transmit the information from an HOP to another HOP. So next one, transport layer. So the transport layer is responsible for the delivery of messages from one process to another one process to another process. And the session layer, so from presentation layer to transport layer, or from transport layer to presentation layer, so that the schedule, the information will be scheduled based on the synchronous process. That is nothing but the session layer is responsible for dialog control and synchronization. So next one, presentation layer. So that will be done from the application layer to session layer at the sender side, and at the receiver side from session layer to application layer at the receiver side. So that is nothing but the presentation layer is responsible for translation, compression, and encryption. The translation is nothing but it is converting from one format to another format, and encryption will be done. It is nothing but encoding and decoding of the messages. So application layer. So at the uh, sender side, the user or human or program, so that will be the formats will be converted as a message that up in sender. From the application layer, the information will transmitting to the presentation layer. At the receiver side, from presentation layer to application layer, so finally that will reach us to user or program. So in a one word, the application layer is responsible for providing services to the user, providing services to the, for example, we can consider a mobile app, that is nothing but Zomato, Ola, so and so, that will be that will provide some services to the user. That is about OSI model, and the summary of the layers, summary of the all layers is so here. Eight వెళ్ళిపోతుందప్పా టీసీ లాస్ట్ 8 వస్తే. So the application layer to allow access to network resources, and the presentation layer it is to translate, encrypt, and compress the data. And the session layer, it establish, manage, and terminate the sessions. And the transport layer, it is to provide reliable process-to-process message delivery and error recovery. And the network layer, it moves the packets from source to destination to provide inter networking. And a data link layer, so to organize bits into frames to provide HOP to HOB delivery. To transmit physical layer, to transmit bits over a medium to provide mechanical and electrical specifications to from sender to receiver and receiver to sender. So this is about OSI model topic. So I will continue in next class. So next class I will tell about TCP/IP protocols. TCP/IP, that is transmission control protocol and internet protocol. So thank you. అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను, అందరూ అలాగే ఉండండి. ప్రజెంట్ 63 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళందరూ అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నా. సో విల్ కంటిన్యూ ఇన్
64 సార్.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Well, we will meet tomorrow. Exit. ఓకే, మీ ఇంకా క్లాస్ అయిపోయిందమ్మా, లీవ్ అవ్వచ్చు.
Okay, sir.